Welcome again to Chris's Caribbean Delights, and today I'm cooking some black rice. Black rice is a very nutritious rice. It's less starchy than brown rice, and it's good for diabetic patients. It doesn't have that starch. Black rice is also known as forbidden or the forbidden rice. Was back in the days, in the ancient days in ancient China, this was only eaten by royalty, because it was so nutritious with its antioxidants and everything. So now today you can find this black rice in several cuisines around the world. Everyone is using it right now as special dishes or sides, and you can have it in various restaurants. So now today I'm going to cook some black rice the way I love to cook it. So let's go ahead. This is what it looks like. It's a short grain rice, and it's very nutty, and it's very dark in color and nutty. And once it's finished, this is what it's going to look like. The black rice. So let's go and walk with me, come with me, and let's prepare some black rice. Some healthy, nutritious black rice. So guys, this is how I like to cook my black rice. I have some veggies here. I have onion, garlic, jalapeno, red jalapeno pepper, and some tomatoes. We're going to put these onions in and let them just start cooking. And we're going to put the jalapenos in. And you can seed the jalapenos if you don't want the heat. So you can just let this go for about 30 seconds or so. Green seasoning. Put some green seasoning in here. Get that flavor going. Green seasoning. Now we're going to add the black rice. I'm going to give that a nice little frying. Just let it get coated. And keep stirring it for about 30 seconds or so. Let's add our garlic. And get tomatoes in there. And here I have a couple cups of water with some bouillon powder. I'm going to make it, just stir it together and make it like a chicken broth. So cool. We're going to bring this to a boil, then reduce it to a simmer. And we're going to let it boil until the rice is nice and soft. Probably going to add about another cup of water in here. So here we are. The black rice is done. It's nice and loose. It's moist. You can serve this up with any meats or vegetables and you'll be fine. And I'll list all the health benefits you can get from this black rice. Awesome.